let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
The violence. Yes, yes, yes. Don't know what that is, but yeah.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Okay, hello everyone. It's been a minute since I vlogged. Oh, my skin looks so bad. Anyway, so yesterday I kind of showed you what I eat in a day kind of vibe. And I got up this morning and I made more of that like oatmeal, like the oatmeal that I made in the pan with the fruit and stuff. I made that again today. And now my sister's at school texting me from school asking me to make protein balls. And I found this really cool recipe on TikTok of like a different way to make them. So I think I'm gonna try it and just vlog it, because the way that they made on TikTok, you don't put all the ingredients into a food processor, which is what I usually do. You just blend up the oats, like the old fashioned oats. Like, oh my God, why am I like out of breath? Hi. You like just blend up the oats. So like they come kind of like bigger, you know what I'm saying? And then you just blend them up so they're like really tiny. And then you just mix all the ingredients up with your hand and form the little balls. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll just show you that. I've kind of been telling myself I'm gonna vlog because then it will make me want to have a more productive day and work out. But that's just not the case. Also, side note, I ordered a bunch of stuff off of White Fox Boutique and Verge Girl because they have like their Boxing Day sale after Christmas. So I think I'm gonna do a haul too. That's not gonna be part of this video, so you have to go watch the other video too. Also, I think I need to start doing videos on my skin. I literally have this ugly ass headband in because it just keeps the hair out of my face, and like you don't want the oils from your hair on your face making it worse. But yeah, I've just been really struggling in the skin department lately. For no reason. My diet hasn't changed. Like literally nothing has changed. It just like sprung up, and like 2 weeks ago I switched my birth control to be more stronger, and the one that I'm on now is like meant for acne. The one that I had before, I was on for like 4 years, and it was the same one, and it worked perfectly fine with me. But now we're gonna see if this new birth control helps. I don't know. We'll keep each other updated, you feel? So first things first, we need to blend up a cup of oats. And then this is the only time I think we'll need to use a blender, because the rest you just use your hands. But I think I'm gonna do a little more than a cup because I know Abe and I will eat these a lot. So that's just what we're doing right now. That's good, like that much. Now that we have our oats in there, we are gonna add a 1/4 cup of milled flax seeds. So let's just do that real quick without making a mess, which I already am. That goes in there. And then, and then you're supposed to do a 1/4 cup of coconut shreds. I don't really care about the measurements that much because I don't really think it's that big of a deal. And then I'm just gonna add some protein powder. This is the Vanilla Lean Protein by Tropica. I'm literally just going like this. Just like, I don't know. Like I don't know, just eyeball it. And then I'm also gonna do the same thing and eyeball some of this. This is collagen peptides. It's unflavored, so I'm just gonna put it in because I clearly need some collagen in my life to make my face not look like this. So I'm just gonna, that's good. Oh wow, that was kind of a lot more than I thought. The smoke of that just like drugged me. Okay, then I'm pretty sure we need some chocolate chips, which we have semi-sweet chocolate chips on deck because I used to eat chocolate chip pancakes literally every day. And then I was like, it's probably not the best idea. So then I stopped and started getting more healthy. So we're just gonna, add some, like 3 medium size. No, that's good. Two and a half medium size handfuls is what I did. And then I'm pretty sure we have to put some peanut butter in there as well. And my family is obsessed with this peanut butter. Organic no stir peanut butter creamy. That's what it looks like. And it literally is like the kind of peanut butter that drizzles and is like super nice and like hella creamy. It's not, because I like drizzling it over my smoothie bowls. You can kind of see the consistency. It's a little like, it gets a little thicker towards the bottom, but I'm gonna add that and then we'll just mash. I'm just mixing this up with like a little spatula thing first to see if I can just like do less of the work with my hands. But then we're just gonna end up using our hands because you know the vibe. Amy just came up from her workout because she's more motivated than me.
Who's that?
It's the vlog, Mom. The finished protein balls, how do they look, Queen?
Delish!
Okay, that was cringy.
Yeah, you're filming me and look at me. I'm cringy, Shay. Don't put me on there like this. I have these glasses on that are over, they're about 10 years old.
Okay, we're gonna put these in the fridge and wait for Ava to get home and then she'll taste test them. We're gonna go paint my nails because I can't continue looking at the yellow. Okay, here are some of my favorite nail polishes that I have. I'm feeling either something funky or just like a light pink moment. But like I'm really pale right now and I need to self-tan, so maybe I'll just do this. Cause like this is like disgusting. Like I literally am so disgusted. I'm gonna paint my nails, watch some Maggie McDonald, and then I'll show you the finished product. Hi, Queen. I made protein balls, so you can try them. Ava's about to try the protein balls, but also I painted my nails. Like, that looks so much better than that crusty ass yellow nails that I had on. Don't do that.
Is there chocolate chips in them?
Yeah.
That's kind of a waste of getting fat.
They're semi-sweet, it's fine.
You should use dark chocolate.
Oh my god, get over it.
Oh, fuck.
Is it good?
Not your best.
Are you serious? This is the TikTok recipe that I found and I made them.
You've made better.
So you're saying that my recipe is better than the one I found on TikTok. So basically it's a compliment.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
OOTD, White Fox sweatshirt, White Fox sweatpants, Adidas socks with her long ass feet. Living. And now we can look at my nails because they're so much better now. Except see those like little like divots? That's from when I had A and C on and it like ruined my nails. So yeah.
That picture of Parker.
I think these are good. Ava said that they're too crumbly, and I kind of agree. I feel like when I make everything in a food processor, they come out better. And I like put other stuff in it. I do like chia seeds, cacao nibs, the whole 9 yards. And this is a TikTok recipe, like we said. So basically, she gave me a compliment because she was saying that mine are better. But yeah, they're like falling apart. Maybe that's my fault, I don't know. So it's later now. I self-tanned, so this is just like obviously the guide color. It needs to rinse off, but I don't do my face because my skin clearly like can't really handle a lot of stuff right now. But I'm making chicken for dinner, and I like created this random recipe where I just add all these spices to the chicken.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Want to get in it? Anyway, I created this random recipe at school with all these spices and stuff, and then my sister visited me and tried it and liked it, so then I came home and I made it for my family, and now they like it, so now I'm making dinner tonight. And we're gonna take the chicken and put it over salad, and my mom's making, like, what is it? Roasted butternut squash on top. So yeah, it should be really good, so I'll show you how I make it. So here's the chicken. I just evenly sprinkled all these random spices on top. Garlic powder, garlic salt, onion powder, some random spices that my mom has. Basil leaves, minced onion, parsley, paprika, and then I'm gonna show off our fancy salt and pepper. And then I just like spread olive oil all over the chicken before I put all this on, and then I flip them and do the same. So it's just hella seasoning. This is good lighting in here. It makes my skin look clear, kinda. But we decided that we're gonna put the chicken over angel hair pasta instead of salad, but we're still making the butternut squash, which I showed. So it's coming together nicely. I'm kind of, oh my god, I look really dark, but it's okay, it won't look like that. I'm kind of making dinner for my whole family now. So I will be taking all the credit for when I showed the beautiful dish that comes at the end of this.
Here.
Oh, yes. Oh my god, yum. I did that. Snatched.
I'm just gonna try.
I did this, just letting everyone know. Knowing I did this. This looks burnt, but it's really not. It tastes really good. It's actually good. I'll show you. It's actually really good.
Calm and exercise and work towards goals and to have fun. And that was our big push for 2 years was we thought the kids really.
Oh my gosh, I look really tan. I need to wash off my tan. Anyway, before I film the outro, I say bye to my subscribers. I made some overnight oats with chia seeds in them. So I made 3 peanut butter. Oh no. And then 1 cinnamon. So we'll see how they work out tomorrow. Usually overnight oats like don't work for me, and I can never like master them for some weird reason because they're actually really easy to make. Oh. But yeah, that's the end of this. It's kind of an all over the place video because I don't have my life in order right now. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. My next video is probably going to be a haul or like a workout video or something. Love you guys. Bye.